This is my 2014 Mercedes Sprinter with just over 100,000 kilometers that I'm going to be converting to my home over the next few months. Now, quick disclaimer, I have absolutely zero knowledge of anything that has to do with cars or building a van. I don't even have a driver's license. It's May 8th and I'm going to be taking a look at a van. I'm super excited. I have no idea how to buy a car or anything. So I had my brother drive me out to look at this van. I had it checked by professionals and basically just bought it right there on the spot because it looked perfect. So my original budget for the van was 10K, but I decided to go with this one because it was my absolute dream car and it had lower mileage, which means I'm less likely to get absolutely fucked if something breaks. And also, if I do decide to resell it, it's more likely to get sold. Yay! So overall, the car is in really good condition and I hope to finish the project by September or October. I'll make short videos like these to kind of document the process and tell you what I learned. So if you'd like to see that, subscribe or follow me, and I'll see you in episode 2. Let's go!